Greetings, What J here, and this time we've got the Harry Winston Project Z12, a seriously complicated and very rare piece made of zirconium-based alloy the brand calls Xalium. A slightly asymmetrical three-dimensional dial has a large bridge right at the center, features retrograde jumping hours and retrograde minutes. The date is shown via a sapphire crystal disc near the bezel. The watch measures 42 mm in diameter and is powered by an automatic movement with 72 hour reserve seen through the case back. The piece is water resistant up to 100 meters and come on a rubber band with a calfskin top. Find more on whatj.com.